But, this is such, I guess, what they call a vortex or happy place to be for me. So I brought a bunch of material up here and I'd sit for hours chipping. Pretty much done there. We have a variety of stone here. This is obsidian from the Rocky Mountains, chert from Kentucky. This is from Mount Kineo up in Moosehead Lake.
Oh, wow. It's getting closer to home.
Yeah, closer to home. I guess, well, this is hornfels from the Ossipee Mountains. New England is very poor in what they call lithic material, stone tool material. This is a type of rhyolite from right up the road here, up at the waterfall. It's not the highest grade, but I think if a person would poke around, they might find better examples of it.
It's got a really pretty unique look to it, though.
This is the Black English flint.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, with the chalk cortex on the... And this comes from the Coxsackie flint mines in Hudson River Valley near Troy,
New York.
Yeah, fairly famous flint deposit that the Indians used a lot of since paleo times and before. A lot of sharp edge like that changed the whole ball game for humanity.
Yeah.
We became the first ones into the dead elephant instead of the last ones.
A good example of why trade was so important too was because there were certain elements and things that you couldn't get locally, so they would meet up and, you know.
Kind of funny story. The natives, or all of us, we were all Stone Age people at one point, and we all had the same thing in mind. Never sit down where you find the material and work it up. You take the material and you sneak away, and you work it up over there, and then work up a little more way over there, and then finally you bring pieces back to the village where you can render them down into workable tools, and you don't leave a trail back to your source. Yeah, because it was a commodity that they could, you know, they could take blades down to the coast and trade for clams, or, you know, it was a sneaky business. But this is dogwood. You can see they grow pretty straight. When you see nice flat planes like that on a stone, that should be tough. See, that's already nice and snug.